Are you leading or managing a small team or business and want to achieve higher performance? Let me ask you a question. If you had to rate the performance of your team out of 10, what would you rate it? We work to develop leaders to build high-performing teams that deliver improved business results. If you rated your team between a 7 or an 8, the High Performance Team Workshop is for you because your team is at a difficult point. Why difficult? Because your team's performance is already good. Some would say very good. So why do you need to improve? You know though that if things don't continually change, continually improve, then in this market and with this competition, you'll start to fall behind. I've worked with leaders and small business owners for the last 16 years on the back of 14 years in the Royal Australian Air Force. As a past chief instructor of the Air Force's Officer Training School, my job was to develop and guide people to lead themselves so they could lead high-performing teams in an ever-changing, can't-fail environment. The need to achieve high performance right now takes both time and effort. It takes clear vision and drive. It takes personal responsibility, clear lines of communication, and the ability to hold others to account. It requires that right balance between bringing the team with you together and leading and pushing them to the next challenge. If you need to maintain and set performance at a 9 or a 10, then the High Performance Teams Workshop is for you and your team. We look at specific areas that are going to lift your performance up, the types of actions and behaviours that are probably good and hence not being focused on, and seek to hone them to a better level. If you need to have those tough conversations and work out what it is you need to do more of, do less of, start doing and stop doing, then the High Performance Teams Workshop is for you and your team. We can provide you with an obligation-free advice quote on what you need to do to improve your team and performance and get you the velocity that you're looking for.